Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be making a dill chicken salad. It is dairy free because my youngest daughter has a dairy allergy. So I try to find recipes that are dairy free so that I can share them with her. So this is a dill chicken salad and I'm gonna be doing some prep. I'll probably speed that up because it's a little bit boring. Behind me, I have some lentil chili going. I will leave a link below to that video showing you how to make that. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I have some green onions that I chopped up recently and I put them in the freezer just for convenience. So the recipe calls for 1/3 cup of onions. It just says onions, it doesn't really specify, but again, it was convenient. I already had them, so that's what I was going for. And looks like I'm gonna go ahead and put the dill in now since I have my chopping board out. Dill, it says 3 tablespoons of fresh. I'm gonna try and get most of the stems off. I really like the smell of fresh dill. Okay. What do you think? I think that's about 2 tablespoons. So I'm going to do a little bit more. Okay, so the chicken I'm going to be using, I got at Costco. Del Real, Mexican tradition for modern life. I don't know. I was trying to read on the package. I'm not sure if this is seasoned with Mexican flavors or not. The type of shredded chicken you would get if you went to a Mexican restaurant. So we will see. I guess we'll see what it tastes like. I honestly on the package could not find where it was seasoned. Okay, so ingredients: shredded chicken, water, cultured dextrose, salt, and garlic powder. So that's good. I'm good with that. It's a 2-pound package, so it comes with 2. And again, they're cooked. So I'm just going to use 1 package. I am going to wash my hands again since I was playing with the package there. So since it's shredded, I probably don't even need to chop it. I just kind of wanted to look, since I haven't had this before, to see what I'm working with. So I might just give it a rough chop. So I am going to add salt and black pepper to taste. And 1 tablespoon plus 1 wow, I threw it at myself. 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. I'm just gonna eyeball it. It's probably a little bit more, but that's okay. Mayonnaise, 3/4 cup. So that's probably about 3/4 cup there. I can always add more. so here is the chicken salad all done. I tasted it, pretty good there. So I am going to do some little cucumber boats. I've got these little guys. I don't have a big cucumber, probably potentially work easier on a big cucumber. But I cut them in half and used a spoon to hollow some of it out so it makes a little well in there. And then I'm just going to get the chicken salad kind of squished in there. Okay, there's my lunch. Okay, so I've got my chicken salad and my cucumbers. I'm gonna go have lunch and work on editing this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will try it. If you do, please let me know. I love reading your comments. I try really hard to respond to them. And yeah, if you have any suggestions for recipes, go ahead and leave that in a comment below as well. I would love to hear it. So, thanks for watching.